Hello, everybody, and happy first day of spring. If you have been with me for any kind of time, meaning at least a year, you know what I do on the first day of spring. I am so grateful and proud and blessed, I might add, to announce my second annual Suncatcher launch kits for spring. If you were not with me last year, let me give you a little bit of background before we jump into the beauty of the sun catchers. I started launching sun catchers last year on the first day of spring and launched a different theme every month for just a few months. And the response and just the overall consensus of everybody a year ago was so overwhelmingly joyful that I am so happy and again so grateful to be able to say my second annual. So I'm back with Suncatcher Kits, and these are limited, my friends. I do a new theme each month. This will be our first launch for the first day of spring. I will launch them for 2 more months, and then that's it for the year. And so we have a new theme each month again this year. And I bet you can tell what it is looking over here. And so that's what I do, my friends. So happy for first day of spring. I brought a few out. And again, this is just a few, you guys. I went insane with my sun catchers last year. Several of them are outside. It is raining. They are hanging in my garden right now. But guys, I've made so many versions and so many beautiful ones. And these are just a couple examples of some of the sun catchers that I did last year. This was a really fun little mini one that I did with a 20 millimeter prism sphere. Just a cute little multicolor. This one was my appreciation sun catcher. I launched this one specially actually in Labor Day weekend. And obviously you can see it's red, white, and blue with the dagger prism. I was trying to figure out how to get to the flag if you're from the US. And we had the Starlinks and the Starlink chain. So there's just so many beautiful ones. These are just 2, guys. I mean, I probably made 10 or 12, gifted another 5. So they are so beautiful. What a lovely sentiment. They make a wonderful gift. They're also very feng shui, you guys. And there's many more uses for sun catchers than what you might think. You know, a lot of people will put them in a child's room, even from a very, very small baby infant, because the reflection of the light that the prisms allow on, from the window on the walls and the ceiling is very, very soothing and relaxing to children or anybody with sleep issues. I actually have one in my room as well. I have one hanging in every window in my house, actually. So there's just many, many uses. You can put them in your car. I've gifted them and people have told me they hang them in their car. They're just a ton of wonderful uses. It's just a beautiful something with some elegance and feng shui. You can personalize with all the supplies I give you any way you want. So just a little sampling of some that I did last year. And again, this isn't even a smidge, but there's so many different ways. When I give you guys supplies, which I will demonstrate in my design inspiration once I give it about a week after I ship them, and then I'll put up a video. Because there's just so many ways just to inspire you. You know, I give you continuous links of, for example, monofilament or chain, whatever I'm giving you in that kit. And you can just cut it up and, crimp things off and attach things any old way you want. You know, I could have done something like this if I wanted on this one. There's just so many ways. So I look forward to getting into our design inspiration. And so, guys, we are going to get into butterflies. Before I show you your kit, I am going to bring you your prisms. So our first month, happy first day of spring, brings us Butterfly Bliss. And here are your launch prisms. I cannot, you guys. Let's take a moment, shall we? You guys, look at these. They are stunning. Now, If you're in my email newsletter list, you just got an email with a heads up to let you know, here we go, first day of spring, second annual launch is here. But guys, look at these prisms. This first launch is Butterfly Bliss. And this is what your sun catchers will come like, just like this, with all of your supplies. Your entire kit is in this bag. And I intentionally put this here because I want you to see, look at all the different colors all the prisms are picking up just from this bag. You know, and if I move this bag away, you know, some come less purpley. But then, like, this one has like a yellowish, and this is purples and pinks. I mean, you guys, it's just insane. They are stunning. Now, my crystals, your prisms are K-9 Crystal by H&D. They are top of the line, absolutely stunning. Just absolutely beautiful. This month's prisms are a random pick. So I'm going to go through to show you the difference in the prisms. I'm going to show you a sample of the one that I made, and then everything that comes in your full kit for our Butterfly Bliss. So notice all of the prisms, my friends, are 40 to 50 millimeter. So 40 to 50 millimeter, which is significant. They're really hefty. They're just beautiful. And as you can see, I have put a split ring on the bottom of each of these because they're pretty hefty and large, and I like the split ring on the bottom there. We can also use the mono. They hold well with the mono, but we'll get to that in my design video. Now we have, they're all 40 to 50 millimeter. And what we have, guys, is there's, for example, a fan scallop. I'll show you in a second. There is several teardrop versions. Like, here's a beautiful teardrop. They're all rainbow AB, fully faceted on both sides. So that's the one side. And here is the other side. I'm trying to not get my fingerprints all over it. And it's just gorgeous, you guys. So that's like a teardrop. This is another teardrop version, but it's called a nest, like a bird's nest. Also fully faceted all the way around. That's what the back looks like. It's just out of this world. Here's another nest, or rather like a teardrop, and it has scallops. I'm gonna pull you guys down just because these are insane. I have to. This one has kind of some scallops on it, and again, rainbow on the one side, and that's what it looks like on the other. And believe it or not, it's not rainbow, but it's picking all that up from this other one. But that's how they all look. They're just out of this world. Just stunning. Here is a regular sphere, which I just love. And again, you know, depending upon what it's picking up with the light, it'll send out and bounce off all kind of color. Beautiful sphere. And this one is really interesting. This is kind of like a scallop. I guess this is kind of like a scallop teardrop with a little point on it. Really beautiful shape. Just stunning. And that's what the back looks like. And then this one's kind of cool. This one is really interesting. I like this one. I've never seen one like this before. So I never had one like this last year. This is quite beautiful. I never had several of these last year. And I don't even know what to call it. It kind of almost looks like, kind of like a funnel almost, right? And there kind of goes to a point, but it's just quite beautiful. And so those are some examples of the prisms. So you will get something like this, or the fan scallop, which I'm going to show you next. So those are our prisms. And again, each bag is random picked. So I put them together. I'm going to gently move my mat. And let's show you Butterfly Bliss, my example. So here is your full kit. Here is another example of a nest. And notice, let me pull this other one over. Notice there's just, you know, a little bit of a difference. One's a little rounder, one's a little more elongated. So they're all really unique and beautiful. Here's the other sampling of the teardrops this month. Or excuse me, the prisms, excuse me. And this is the scalloped fan. And that's what that one looks like. It's just out of this world. Okay, and this one's probably 50 millimeters. So everybody's 40 to 50 millimeters. Here is an example, you guys. Let me pull you back up. I've already put one together. This is what mine looks like. Made them pretty long. And so we'll get into this in design mode, but this is my design I came up with for Butterfly Bliss. And then I'll walk you through your kit. So let me put her to the side. She's so beautiful. So what you get in your kits, my friends, is of course your prism. And then you get 2 split rings. Okay, plus, I'll pull you down. Plus the split ring that is already here. So that's 3 split rings. Then you're going to get your hook. These are 304 stainless steel. Okay, and they're really nice and durable. Okay, I used these last year as well. They're just great. Okay, they have a nice closed loop. So even if you slide your mono in there and crimp it, you're going to be good. So you do get your hook. So this is our hook this month. And then we're going to get 4 6 millimeter jump rings. And that's just to give you some different options for connection points. You're going to get a piece of chain, and it's a 5-inch piece. And that's what your chain looks like there. Okay, just gives you a little bit more sturdiness. So you do get that 5-inch piece of chain. I do give you a 1/2 yard of my monofilament, which is the 6-pound. So it will plenty hold the weight of the full sun catcher. And you get 6 crimps. And these are the crimps. There's 2 I have that go specifically with my mono perfectly. And I will demonstrate that again in the design video, how to crimp those properly. But you get your 1/2 yard of mono, which is a whole ton, by the way. And your 6 crimps. And then, of course, our butterfly. And our butterfly is so beautiful, friends. It has 2, excuse me, they're so shiny and new. We have 2 connection points. They are 3D. They're filigree. So as you can see, they just have every single portion of the wing could be a connection point. So you can dangle your stuff from anywhere, right? All your crystals and stuff. So we have the top and bottom connection point. Then can you see right there in the center? There's a rhinestone spacer there. So that is a 40, I think it's 40 millimeters, guys. Yeah, it's 40 millimeters, our butterfly connector. And I'll turn it around. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the back. So adorable. Just beautiful. And then the rondelles and crystals this month. So I put something different every month, obviously. And this month we're going to get 6 of the 6 millimeter clear crystals. And then the clear in the 8 millimeter, there's 2. And then there is purple and green, 8 millimeters. And these are like a purpley pink, actually, with silver on the one side. Hope you can kind of make that out. I'll bring mine up again and show you. It's just so pretty. You can kind of tell the color difference there. And that makes up your Suncatcher kit in addition to your organza bag that it comes on. And so you can see there's that like half purpley pink and half silver. And that's how I kind of designed that one. And I am so sorry. I forgot something so important. Your hexagon crystals, guys. I usually put these in everybody's kit because they just are so beautiful for sun catchers. These are, I believe, these hexagon crystals. They are, I believe, 14 millimeter, guys. 13 or 14 millimeter. And they are also a rainbow AB crystal. They're glass. They're fully faceted. You can see the rainbow AB on the one side. And then on the other side, just exactly like the prisms. And they're just going to pick up a rainbow of color. So you do get 2 of those. And then there, again, are 2 connection points on your hexagon crystals, which you get 2. And this is how I had put mine right here with the split rings. But sometimes I put the mono. Just depends on what you want to do. So I hope you guys will get your bags ordered. They are live in my store right now for your first day of spring. And I will get them shipped out to you ASAP. And then we will get a design inspiration video up in about a week. And I am so, so happy to be able to bring you guys these for a second year. My second annual Spring Suncatcher Kits. Love. Love, love, love. I hope you guys enjoy. And again, this month is Butterfly Bliss for our first day of spring. And until the next video, friends, be blessed.